Diamond Hand family, wake up. It's Saturday morning. Hydrate your drip, compound your plants. Let's keep it moving. Momentary pause for the real investors to hit the like button, notification bell, and subscribe button. Quote of the week. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Joe Kennedy. That means we need to get going today on this passive income. Welcome to my channel, which is also your channel, Diamond Hand family, where we talk about all things in DeFi and crypto passive income. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands hitting you with this Drip Garden Farm 3D open world game again. Links in the description. I had to come back again and explain how big, how genius, and how next level this game is going to be. Look at this. Look at this right here. Things that I did not realize before. Things that I didn't realize before. I don't know what anybody is talking about, but look at this right here. Look at this right here. So you got compound and harvest your drip garden directly within the 3D game environment. Okay, that's good. We kind of expected that, right? But look at this. Well, we kind of didn't expect that all the way, but hey, anyway, look at this right here. Live status of your pigs, dogs, and pig pen, and piggy bank via Animal Farm viewer. So they're gonna integrate the Animal Farm viewer into this game, man. This is big. This is big. You get to see the status of your pigs, your dogs, your pig pen, and the piggy bank. And not only that, but you get to see the live status of your faucet and reservoir via the drip viewer. So you get to see your drip, you get to see everything in the pig pen, you get to see everything in the drip garden, you get to see everything that you got going on in the animal farm. This is big. This is next level. And on top of that, you get game XP points, and you get to access a shop that integrates real drip as the currency. Not game drip, but real drip as the currency. And on top of that, you get to interact with other users in the game. I mean, the next best thing that this thing could do is if you could sign in all your wallets into, every single wallet you had, that whether it was drip garden, animal farm, piggy bank, everything all in one GUI or one graphic interface, and you could just see everything. I mean, that's next level. But I know that's reaching, but it'd be cool if we had that feature. So this is going to be big. They got the characters here: Porky, Snoopy, Happy, Jolly. They show you what the team is, the fact. I mean, this thing is ready to go. So on the 15th, I'm gonna get up. I don't know what time it's gonna launch, but I'm gonna get up in the morning. I'm gonna be ready for it. So hey, if you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit notification bell for upcoming videos. Hope you have a good weekend. Peace.